Welcome to episode 3. Today, we're learning real life English through a fun and practical fast food service conversation. You'll hear how to order food, ask for recommendations, request extra sauce, and even talk about future visits with your family. If you enjoy this lesson, don't forget to like and share to support our team. Let's get started. Hi there, welcome to Burger Town. What can I get for you today?
Hey, I'm not really sure yet. There are so many options. I can't decide what to eat.
No problem at all. If you'd like, I can recommend some of our most popular items.
Yeah, that'd be great. What do people usually order?
Our best-selling burger is the classic double cheeseburger. It comes with 2 beef patties, melted American cheese, lettuce, tomato, pickles, and our signature sauce. It's $7.99 by itself, or you can upgrade to a combo with fries and a medium drink for $10.49.
That sounds good. Do you have anything spicy?
Absolutely. We have the Spicy Chicken Crunch Burger. Crispy chicken, spicy mayo, jalapenos, and pepper jack cheese. It's $6.99 or $9.79 for the combo.
Oh, wow, both sound great. What about something new? Any special menu?
Yes, we're running a limited time item, the Barbecue Bacon Smokehouse Burger. It has smoked bacon, crispy onions, cheddar cheese, and a sweet barbecue glaze. It's $8.49 or $11.29 for the combo.
That actually sounds amazing. Does the combo come with regular fries?
Yes, regular fries, but you can upgrade to curly fries or cheese fries for an additional $1.20.
Nice. Are there any discounts today?
Yes, if you order any combo, you get 10% off when paying with our mobile app. Or if you join our rewards program at the counter, you get a free small dessert today, soft serve ice cream or a cookie.
I'll go with the barbecue bacon smokehouse burger combo. Regular fries, medium Coke.
Great choice. With the combo and the 10% app discount, your total comes to $10.16.
All right, here's my card.
Thank you. Here you go. Your receipt is inside the bag. Your order number is at 147. It'll be ready in just a few minutes.
Perfect. Thanks for the help. I really appreciate it.
My pleasure. Enjoy your meal and have a great day.
Hi, excuse me. Could I get some extra sauce, please?
Of course, we have several options. What kind of sauce would you like?
What sauces do you have?
We have ketchup, barbecue sauce, spicy mayo, ranch, honey mustard, chipotle sauce, and our signature house sauce. If you want something sweeter, we also have sweet chili and honey garlic.
Wow, that's a lot. I'll take the house sauce and honey mustard, please.
Sure thing. I'll add them to your bag at no extra charge.
Thanks. By the way, if I come next time with my family, like maybe 5 or 6 people, do I need to make a reservation?
Great question. For small groups like that, you don't need a reservation, but you can call us ahead if you want to make sure we prepare enough seating. Here's our branch phone number on the card.
Perfect. That's helpful.
And here's a discount coupon for your next visit. You'll get 15% off any combo meal when you come back. Just show this coupon at the counter.
Oh, that's awesome. Thank you.
Also, if you bring your family next time, I recommend trying our Family Grill Box. It includes 4 burgers of your choice, a large bucket of fries, chicken tenders, and a big bottle of soda. It's perfect for sharing, and honestly, it's one of our best value meals.
That sounds amazing. I'll definitely check it out.
Please do, and thank you so much for visiting us today. We really appreciate it. Have a wonderful meal and enjoy the rest of your day.
Thanks again. See you next time.
Vocabulary explanations in English. 1. Popular items. Items on the menu that many customers like and often choose. 2. Best selling. The item that sells the most because customers buy it very frequently. 3. Signature sauce. A special sauce created by the restaurant, unique to their brand and not found anywhere else. 4. Upgrade. To change something to a better or more complete version, such as turning a single burger into a full combo meal. 5. Combo. A meal set that includes a main item, like a burger, fries, and a drink at a combined price. 6. Limited time item. A menu item available only for a short period. Once the promotion ends, the item is removed. 7. Crispy. A texture that is crunchy and firm when you bite into it, often used to describe fried foods. 8. Spicy mayo. A creamy mayonnaise mixed with chili or hot sauce to create a mildly spicy flavor. 9. Additional. Something extra beyond what is normally included, often referring to add-ons or extra charges. 10. Discounts. Price reductions that allow customers to pay less than the regular cost. 11. Rewards program. A system where customers earn points, bonuses, or benefits when they visit or buy repeatedly. 12. Processing. The action of completing a transaction, such as running a credit card or finalizing payment. 13. Receipt. A printed or digital document showing what the customer bought and how much they paid. 14. Order number. A specific number assigned to a customer's order so they can identify when their food is ready.